Okay, we're entered here. Order filled. Stops up here where they need to be. What's up, YouTube? Welcome to day number 4 of the Alpha Futures. Yesterday, we hit an absolute banger. Trading-wise, we are killing it so far. Super patient, seeing what we need to see and then reacting based off of that. We're not forcing the market to show us something that's not there, which I think is great. And I think we can keep going with this momentum that we've kind of built here. Yeah, before we get started, make sure everyone, if you guys are using Alpha Futures or if you would like to, they got a banger set of rules. Make sure to use in all caps code WesleyTrades for your best discount at 10% off. Our performance stats for this week and last week, we're dialed in right now. All right, now to the charts. What we doing weekly? We've kind of made a bounce back, you guys. Definitely on MNQ, not so much on MES, but we're still bullish. Daily, bullish as well. This one good sign that I see here for both indexes is no candle close below CE of this little low that we've made here on the daily chart. And then MNQ doesn't even wick CE of it either. So it's a good indicator to me that the daily is remaining super bullish. Now from daily, we go to the 4-hour. A lot of the same. We kind of started our mini downtrend after we broke this low. We had this candle close below this low. We were in a downtrend until this break right here. Now we're back up with the 4-hour, so we are bullish with the 4-hour. WesleyTrades just said we have news today at 8 a.m. It's only 7:20 a.m. for me, so that would be 10 a.m. Eastern is when this news is at. And then Trump speaks again today. Bro, all right, on the 1-hour, it's going to be just a stretched 4-hour now. Nothing too much to really point out. I mean, a little bit of a downtrend here. We don't want to see a candle close below here. And we definitely don't want to see a candle close below here. We have a lot, I believe we do anyway, a lot of low resistance liquidity. If we take a look at the 15-minute, yeah, look at all this. This is definitely some form of target for people today. Is this, because it looks like stairs. Like all this can be swept. Wes, are you a full-time trader? I would say so. Yeah. We are in here every morning that I'm trading. There hasn't been one day where I'm like a minute late to the streams. So I would say, yeah, I would say I'm full-time. I've dropped out of school recently. We'll get to marking our session highs and session lows. Now with that being said, let's take a look at high time frame SMTs. So from the 15-minute to the 1-hour, 4-hour, daily, weekly. Yeah, not a whole lot yet. We're going to be honest. Make our way up to the 1-hour. But I would call this one. Absolutely. Here to here. This is our previous SMT that we had. It would be this candle. So this high. Okay, we're entered here. Order filled. Stops up here where they need to be. Boys, we might catch a little bit of a retracement. Max Deluxe, how you doing, bro? Damn, already 21 people? Yo, market just opened. Neutral bias so far. All right, we'll make our way down. 5-minute. Take a look what we're doing. 5-minute fair value gaps below us here. Oh, would have that been great. Boys, I don't know what's going on recently. MES seems to be doing damn near the polar opposite of what MNQ has been doing. Like, do you guys remember what happened yesterday? Like, MES just dropped for some reason. It was so weird. Oh, can we please take this at MES? Whichever bank just did that made billions, bro. Move the market 50 points in 5 minutes. 70 points in 5 minutes. Yeah, this is cooked. We're going to be so patient today, you guys. Okay, well, we make that imbalance. Now we want to retest because we have those London session lows on MNQ, just not on MES. So boom. Me personally, I want to retrace down to this fair value gap here. That's name or YouTube name? That's a YouTube name. These are all your guys' YouTube names. And then I'll just copy paste into like a name wheel. And then we'll do the giveaway live. When, Wes? This coming weekend, we're going to wait until the last YouTube video for the week is put out. So say, for example, I trade on Thursday and I don't trade on Friday. We're going to wait for the Thursday video to come out, and then we will do the draws. Okay, we got to lock in a little bit because price is moving right now. Look at the reaction to CE though. Seriously. Dude, that's what I'm saying, you guys. Like it actually works. Okay, we want this imbalance to be touched, bro. This is exactly what we wanted to see. Okay, let's see how we react to these imbalances made after this liquidity sweep. Low time frame SMT, high time frame SMT. Now, all we need to see is a good reaction off of our for value gap here. Holy shit, I just smoked my fucking elbow. Not concerning, but I want to see what happens with this imbalance here. So I'm not going to trade until we get some form of answer off that imbalance there. Okay, yeah, so that's a good reaction. We like that. Wick pass CE. Okay, we're entered here. Order filled. Stops up here where they need to be. This is our first and probably only trade for the day. Yeah, we've taken London session low and we haven't on MES yet. But after that, we also took London session high on MES, creating a high time frame and a low time frame SMT. So with that in mind, we're looking for some form of shorts. There's also a ton of low resistance liquidity, not just on the 15-minute, but like this is an hourly chart as well. Just playing probabilities for sure. Okay, so number one, yeah, we get order filled there. All right, so what I was thinking on in that trade, we're still going to explain it.